Hello and welcome to Enarium 5404 summer semester class. In this video I will show you how to download RStudio on your computer. To download R, let's start the process. First of all, open web browser of your choice. Here I use Google Chrome. In the search bar, type R project and hit enter. The Google search result shows that the first result is of our interest. So here I can see the Windows R4.0.2 is the latest version, so I'll just click on Windows. And then in this page, click on Download R 4.0.2 for Windows. Here I'm saving my file on my desktop. Click Save. It'll take about 4 to 5 seconds, or depending on your internet speed. My download is ready, so I'll minimize it. And then to install R, simply just double click on it. Here I will click OK. Next. Here it says that I already have the R4.0.2 version installed on my computer. So just to show the process, I will click yes again to override. In your computer you should not see this message. Here I have a choice to install either only 64-bit or 34-bit. I will normally go with the default. Sometimes I need to use a 34-bit as well, so just choose what default you have and click next. Here, if you are interested, you can create a desktop shortcut clicking on this box, but I don't like creating desktop shortcut, so I will skip it. If you want, you can click it here. Okay, next. Okay, my R installation process is finished, so simply hit finish here. Now I have successfully installed our latest version, which is 4.0.2. To open and start using R, go to Start menu. Sometimes you can see recently added program here. If you don't see your R here, go to R, choose folder R, and then choose recently installed R version. This is the typical layout of R. Let me drag it. At this point, this R console, you can consider this as a giant calculator. So we can start writing our command after this angle bracket. Let's use this R console as a calculator. Let's type 4 plus 5 and hit enter. It'll give you the result. It's interactive. As soon as you type a command and hit enter, it'll give you evaluate and then give you the results. Here we can also define the variables. For example, let's define the variable x, and in R the standard way to define a variable is less than and minus sign. This operator looks a little bit different from other software program, but R can also use equal as the same operator, but most of the books and help you will encounter are normally use this kind of operator rather than equal sign. So I recommend using this sign, at least in R. So let's assign x a value of 10 and then y a value of, let's say, 20. I made a mistake. And then 20. Let's enter. Once we assign a variable, unlike 4 plus 5, we didn't see any results because that value 10 is stored as object x and then 20 is stored as y. So in R, if you don't see anything after you type your command, that means the command is working. So no results is good news here, or no error message. So now let's check if x and y store the value of 10 and 20. Type x plus y, and it will give the results by summing two variable x and y. We can also store the summation of these two variable into another variable, let's say z equals x plus y. Okay, this is the example. We will discuss more about writing script in RStudio, which is the integrated development environment for R. We can do a lot more in there. Since we are not going to use our scripting here from the R, I'll just stop here and I'll see you in the next video where I will show you how to download RStudio on your computer. Okay, before that, let's quit R. So simply you can type Q and then open parenthesis and then close parenthesis and hit enter, and then it asks you to confirm if you wanted to save your workspace. Here in my case I don't want to, so click no and then you're good.